Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Brandon in Alabama on this RCI-2970N4. We'll be powering the N4 today with the BM Technologies 90 amp power supply, fully variable from 12.5 volts to 16 volts. We keep these units in stock. They are 405 plus shipping, and that's 90 amps continuous. Brandon, let's get right to it, bud. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug, 10 watt carrier. We're going to go over to the 1000 watt scale, 150 watt carrier all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, audio. About 220 bird watts average. We're going to go to peak watts. It's 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000. Hello. 600 peak watts. Alright, Brandon, it's ready to come to you, my friend. Hope you enjoyed it. Check 1, 2, 3. Hello, audio. Power supply not even dropping a 1/10 of a volt. Hello, 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 audio. And there you have it, Brandon. RCI-2970N4. Truck CB Sales at gmail.com. Bump bump.